Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea bags. First, let's gather our materials. You will need your favorite loose leaf tea, some food-grade filter paper, a length of cotton string, and a small stapler. Also, have a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a small spoon on hand. This simple project allows you to customize your tea experience with ease, creating perfect single servings. Now, let's prepare your tea blend. Choose your favorite loose leaf tea, perhaps a robust black tea, a soothing green tea, or a fragrant herbal blend. For each tea bag, measure approximately 1 to 2 teaspoons of tea. This amount is ideal for brewing 1/8-ounce cup. Feel free to experiment by adding dried herbs like mint or lavender, or spices such as cinnamon for a truly personalized brew. Next, we will assemble your tea bag. Take your filter paper and cut it into a rectangle, roughly 3 inches wide by 5 inches long. Fold this rectangle in half, creating a pouch. Carefully place your measured tea blend inside the folded paper. Now, fold the top edge over by about 1/2 inch, insert one end of your cotton string, and staple it securely to seal the bag. Finally, let's talk about storing and enjoying your custom tea bags. Once made, store them in an airtight container to maintain freshness and flavor. A cool, dry pantry shelf, away from direct sunlight, is the perfect spot. These homemade tea bags are a wonderful way to enjoy your favorite blends, offering a convenient and personalized brewing experience whenever you desire a warm, comforting cup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.